Hello everybody, I just want to share with you some happy mail I've just received. I just had a package delivered, and this is from a lady by the name of Pam I. She contacted me last week or so, maybe the week before, and said she had made me something and could she send it to me. So how exciting. I don't know what it is, so I've just cut most of the sticky tape. We have a little card on top. Isn't that sweet? Just a note. Isn't that pretty? Dear Jeanette, just a little thank you for inspiring us and sharing your talent with everyone. Hope this pincushion comes in handy. Pam. And she must have, yes, she does. She has a YouTube channel. I don't know if she's yet making videos though. Her YouTube channel is Honeybee Crafting, and I will put a link to her channel in the description box below, because she did tell me she was going to start making videos very soon. So I will just, you gave it away, didn't you? Oh wow, how exciting. I love pincushions. Really? Oh, this is lovely. Oh, my goodness. Oh, I can't believe this. Wait till you see this. Look what she's made me. Oh, aren't she wonderful? Look what she has made for me. She made me a sewing machine. Isn't she so sweet? Because, you know, I haven't got one for myself. I've made so many and I've always given them to other people. Oh, this is wonderful, Pam. Oh, that is so kind of you. And she's done it just on an open box, which is great, because sometimes you just want them ornamental, don't you? They don't have to have things inside. Oh, and I'm presuming you've used my pattern for this, Pam. Oh, this makes me so happy. This was like when Louisa sent me the little art dress, because I'd given all mine away. Isn't this lovely? Oh, and look, it's got a little J on it for Jeanette. Oh, this is wonderful. Okay, now that my excitement is done. So she has it on a half box. Then she has a doily here and another little doily there and a Battenberg doily. Isn't that just beautiful? She has the flowers, and they're all fabric flowers. And then she has a lovely cluster of flowers going all around. Sorry about that, there were people at the door. Okay, where were we? We have a lovely cluster of flowers all the way around, and that's a mixture of paper and fabric roses, and there's some little crystal hearts, tiny little bling pieces, ever so pretty. Some little crystals and pearls. Oh, and some stamens in there as well. And lots of little flowers. Oh, wow. And that goes all the way around like that. We have this lovely butterfly here, and this gorgeous lace tucked under. And it's... There we go. Oh, look, and she's done little stitches. Well, it looks like she's sewn it on the machine there. You know, make-believe stitches that have been sewn there. And all these lovely ribbons coming out there. Oh, this is so nice. We have a beautiful wedding applique going up the front of the machine. And I do like the lace you've used as the background there. Is it a lace over fabric? I think it is, yes. I'm pretty sure it is. Yeah. And then she has this lovely dimensional flower with a tassel, and that's for your, you know, the little hand crank, and a beautiful iridescent flower on it there. We have a little bobbin on the top with some thread on it, and a bead at this side, and the bead is like the little where the thread goes through. It's okay, I can see it. There we go, I got it. Oh, isn't that clever? Look, she's got one of these and the thread goes through that as well, down the front there, into a little bead cap, and it comes out of the bead cap. Oh, this is just lovely, Pam. It's just lovely. And just a sprinkling of little pink. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh, isn't that sweet? Thank you so much. And she's got a flower on top. And look at these beautiful little jewels and things like that on the top. Oh, isn't it so sweet? Oh, that's really touching. That's so funny, because I think I said the other day I've got a little machine there and I've made everybody else's, but I've never made my own. So, oh, that's lovely. Oh, and that's going up on that top shelf so I can see that. Oh, that's just beautiful. I'm still looking at everything. Oh, she says, I hope you like what I've made. Oh, I do. I love it. I love it. Isn't that kind of her? Wow. Oh, that's just beautiful, Pam. Oops. Little flower. We'll just pop that somewhere. I don't think it matters where it's going. Oh, it's so lovely. I hope I haven't forgotten anything. She's got a little pearl on top there as well. Oh, what a surprise. Wow, thank you. And she's also sent a little bag of lace for me as well. Ah, still getting over that. Wow, that was just beautiful. And we have this lovely little lace here that you can put your ribbon through. And she sent a lot of that one. Thank you so much. And another lovely white lace. Isn't that pretty? Oh. Oh. Oh, I wasn't expecting that. That was really lovely. And then we have, oh, that's elastic. Oh, that's wonderful. And what a pretty little elastic that is. Look. Isn't that good? Oh, thank you so much for that. Thank you so much. And then this sweet little lemon lace as well. Look at that. Isn't that pretty and dainty? Oh, that's beautiful. Thank you so much, Pam. Wow. That was not expected at all. Oh, and I do love it. Isn't that beautiful? I love how people, you know, they make them. Oh, it's just really lovely. It really is. That's beautiful. Thank you so much, Pam. And please do go over and pay her channel a visit. Perhaps subscribe to her. I mean, she said she was going to start making videos, and she's obviously a beautiful crafter. So that would be a nice start for her, wouldn't it? Wow. Thank you so much. That's beautiful. And thank you everybody for watching. Take care now. Bye-bye.